Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl OCUBE. Today's tutorial is gonna be on how I got this Instagram trending gele. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're old, thanks for always coming back. You're always amazing. I love you all so much. So without much ado, let's get started with this tutorial. I'll place the tie on my client or model's head, then I form 4 pleats, just 4 pleats. Then I'm just trying to make sure the pleats do not overlap one another. Then I place it flat on her forehead and arrange the pleats one by one. So after that, I'll carry it over to the back and cross the two ashoke together. Meanwhile, the ratio of this ashoke is ratio 70-30. So now I'll just pull everything to make sure I've dragged out everything. I'll just pull everything. Then I'll ask my client to help me hold the 30% while I twist the 70% to the end. I twist it until it gets to the end. So immediately I get to the end of the ashoke, I'll carry the twisted ashoke on top of my last plait. So now the other part of the ashoke, now I'll start forming my pleats while I slant it like as if I'm doing a fan. I'm just trying to form my pleats one by one. I'm just trying to arrange the pleats. So then I'll use a pin to secure the area where I'm trying to pin the fan and the twisted ashoke together. I'll just hold it over there to make sure the ashoke, to ensure the style do not scatter. I just want to make sure it's very firm, so I'll just continue until I get to the tip, the end of the ashoke. So basically this is just how to do this simple trending Instagram gele. It's very easy. I did it in less than 3 minutes. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. See you all in my next one. Bye bye loves.